For Saturday the 28th of April 2018, this is Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where we have a developing a tropical low, Invest 98S, currently located near 7.7 degrees south, 96.3 degrees east, and is located around 265 nautical miles north of the COCOS Keelings Island. This is the life of Invest 98 up to about 3 hours ago. Animated and enhanced infrared satellite imagery shows a broad area deep convection which is continuing to consolidate. The 91 gigahertz microwave image shows impressive banding with areas of deep convection, and upper level analysis shows favourable vertical wind shear ranging between 5 and 10 knots, along with developing EQUATORWARD and POLEWARD outflow channels. Sea surface temperature very healthy, it's around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Model guidance is in good agreement that 98S will continue to track southwest, eventually developing into a tropical cyclone. Models vary with the time frame of development, with NAVGEM developing an earlier development within 12 hours. Now we have a look at some models and the tracks. NCEP GFS, Joint Typhoon Warning Center, has it percentages at medium. It's a Navy's NAVGEM. Canadian CMC. The UK Met. And this is the JMA, which is the Japanese Meteorological Agency. The Bureau of Meteorology's Darwin office is now monitoring Invest 98S Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide. The Bureau has it at 1005, dropping down within 12 hours, 997 millibars. And as mentioned, Joint Typhoon Warning Center has 98S at medium, and their next update could show the red, which is high. Joint Typhoon Warning Center normally updates every 6 hours. The current upper level divergence, very healthy. It's around 40 knots. Wind shear, (24-hour) shear tendency, and tropical systems love the area in blue and green, which represents low wind shear. The 850 millibar vorticity, this one is extracted from the SIMS website, and they update every 3 hours. Himawari 8 satellite view, it's a rainbow imagery, and you can definitely see Invest 98S developing, and the NOAA floaters. And hopefully over the next few days I might be able to capture some footage via the International Space Station. It's not unusual to have a tropical cyclone in May, even though the month of April is drawing to a close. The GFS model The information is available on the Pivotal Weather website. The scale, bottom of the screen. Area of interest, Cape York, tropical North Queensland coast around Cairns, area south of Mackay, right down to Sydney. Southern tip of Tasmania, total precipitable water for the Indian Ocean. And there is a little bit of clockwise motion around the COCOS Islands in that brown. But as Invest 98 develops, it'll become a little bit more pinkish. And this is a GFS model on Invest 98S. They have intensity dropping to around 985, but in our next update, I should have some more information re possible intensity, updated tracks. Now look at the GFS, total accumulated precipitation. Again, the scale is the right hand side of the screen and the highest value is 500 and it's the yellow. The IMAGERY 8, a satellite view of the western region. Now we have a look at the local weather scene. Hazardous surf warning is currently in place for the Byron and Goffs coasts. Strong wind warning for the Byron coast. Cancellation, strong wind warning, Sunshine Coast and the Gold Coast waters. Latest Bureau of Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall. And there are quite a few areas that need some decent rainfall, and hopefully we might see some decent falls during our winter. Total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. And it looks like a bit of green, West Coast, Gulf of Carpentaria, and south of Gove. Fraser Island right down to northern central coastal region, New South Wales, West Coast, New South Wales, Tasmania. Now this is from 10 AM to 10 AM tomorrow. This is the instability. All music played in our updates is the work of Nathan over there in the United Kingdom, and he's a very talented person. If you'd like to get in contact with Nathan, the details at the end of the video. Store probability. We're also on the lookout for people that are good with computers, graphic designs, and you can get in contact with me at the email address on the screen.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.
And bye for now.